Hello. So, some outcomes that I feel I performed well on would be summing up my whole case all together. I feel like I was pretty concise and to the point. Um, I only had two paragraphs, about 5 lines each. I separated one into what exactly had happened in the situation, and then the other one to what happened when he went to the doctor and what the doctor said. Um, I also would say I performed well on facts, as pretty much all the statistically his history, or just describing him and what tests were taken with his case. Um, if I had to say an outcome that I struggled on, would probably be my hypothesis and learning issues, because I feel like I did go in depth and I went well in depth, but I could have gone like one step further with one more question. Like, I didn't mention that it was a possible stroke. It just didn't come to mind, honestly. Um, and with learning issues, there was a thing called a TIA, and I don't know what that is, and I never put that in the learning issues. I also didn't actually go in depth as to why he was unable to communicate the drooping face. I didn't really ask like the why to that. I could have gone in depth more with that. I also didn't mention a minor detail in the problems of the case, which was that he had a big growth spurt. I mean, when I did problems, it was just I mentioned all the symptoms, but in the video interview, he mentioned that he had a large 4-inch growth spurt, and I forgot to mention that in the problems. I hope to, in the future in upcoming research phases, I think I'm just gonna once I do the task assigned, I'm gonna look back at the case, look at that criteria just one last time, and make sure I put everything I possibly can. I think I looked at the criteria first this time and just put what I thought I needed, and I never went back and just double checked. So I think next time I'll just double check.